I'm going to show you how to put the DJI spark propeller protectors on there. Where is it? There we go. And guys, it's pretty simple. So if you look at them closely, you will see that there's a white little mark right here. There's a white little mark right here. On this one, it's black. If you look on the props, you will see that there's white here, there's white here. So there's white here, there's white here, this one is black and this one is black. So basically to put it in, you make sure you color code, so white goes with white, so this one goes with this one here. So you want to go from the bottom of it and just push it in like this, and then just turn it like that, and then right here you just lock it into place, just like that. This is black, so black goes on black. So black goes with this one here, you close it in and lock it into place. And same as this, you just want to make sure that you put the right one with the right one. Lock it into place and just like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you put your prop guards to protect your props, especially if you're a newbie like me, and then if you're flying indoors, and it's a good way to protect your props. That's it, guys. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.